JV Import Auto, approving and declining recommendations. Look for an email or text message from us and find the link in it, hit it, and it should open a web page with your name and vehicle info at the top of the page. After that, you can scroll down and minimize or expand each line like I'm doing here. Below this section, you'll find our findings where we have photos of the vehicle from check-in, and then any issues we diagnosed for you and we estimated, along with anything from the vehicle health report. You can hit learn more on and see what the estimate's about, little breakdown. Each estimate you can hit approve and decline on separately. I think the best way is to read through the notes and then come down to the recommended services overview. Approve and decline services down here as you see fit, but please do all of them approve or decline, as that's how this system does best. After you've done that with all recommendations, this box is going to pop up and you're going to need to sign. Tap the signature box, sign, tap done, tap approve and submit, and we will get the parts and work going as soon as possible.